Should I fall off things? I am talented at falling off things.
And that was the camera antenna thing. See?
Megan is like convulsing.
Hi.
Wait, we gotta go say hello to Bobby.
Yay! Let's go say hi, Bobby! Bobby, say hi!
Hi, Bobby.
Hey.
You're going on our YouTube page.
Hi!
Back to the pool table! Megan, did you just fall off?
No. It's our triangular thing.
Ooh.
Super cool.
I
I
like
guess
triangles.
everyone's known that.
Oh, yeah.
Unless you're from, like, what country that doesn't know pool?
Wait.
Ireland!
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 Ooh, the table's green. You can't see it because it's in black and white, but it's green.
We'll make it in color, don't worry, everyone. Okay, it's boring now.
Oh, wait. Hi, Shane.
Hi, Shane!
Sorry, Ireland. You know, you gotta love it.
Yeah.
Look at the light. Let's go say hi to Bobby again. Bobby! Hi.
Hey.
Let's go to our spa room. That's our cat.
Cat.
We need to watch this.